Connect 220 volts power supply. Turn on the power switch. Turn on the ignition switch. Turn on the instrument panel to light up. Operate the left front window. Right front window. Left rear window. Right rear window. 3 are non-driver's window control switches. Right front window. Left rear window. Right rear window. Open the lock switch. 2 rear windows cannot be operated. Close the lock switch. Operate the car lock switch. Door lock motor works. Operate the rear view mirror. Turn the knob to the left to operate the left rear view mirror. At the same time, the right rear view mirror also will run. Operate the right rear view mirror. Restore the knob to its original position. Operation completed. Turn off the ignition switch. Demonstrate the function of the terminals on the panel. Adjust the multimeter to the voltage range. Turn on the ignition switch. Connect the terminals. The multimeter displays the voltage here. Turn off the ignition switch. Set the fault. Take fault number 1 as an example. The panel corresponding to this place corresponds to the left front window. Turn on the ignition switch. The left window operates normally. Set the fault. Operate the control switch again. The left front window does not work. Restore the fault. The left front window resumes normal operation. Turn off the ignition switch. Perform OBD diagnosis. Connect OBD diagnostic plug. Turn on ignition switch. Select corresponding brand. Click OK. Enter instrument cluster. Read fault code. View fault code. Diagnosis completed. Turn off ignition switch. Turn off power switch. Disconnect power connection.